Part of what's prompting this is the windstorm the other day took the other darn broken hinge out. Ah, pulled it open. You know it's white, but we're gonna see. It's upside down. This one we all hang back here. This one will go right here. Perfectly. So I'm going to center this as best as I can. We're talking less than 1/8 of an inch in between on each side. So it's going to line up really nicely. Actually, that one we're going to do shorter. This is a shorter one. This isn't structural. We want the longer one for the hinge side. I don't know if we talked about this before, but being a mechanic, split piece of wood to me is just like anybody's nightmare when it comes to mechanics. It takes a hour-long job and makes it a 5-hour-long job. So I pre-drill everything. Just silly not to. We're going to go right here. I believe we're going to put this here, then we're going to put the door up and then adjust the air. Part of what's prompting this is the windstorm the other day took the other darn broken hinge out. So I'm going to use what they gave me for some of this, and some of this I'm going to upgrade to 2-inch and 3-inch screws just because I want it to work. It worked for a while. It is a heavy door. Okay. Yeah, much heavier than I expected. Don't kill it. It's plastic. So I'm going to use some kind of shim, either wood or some of the foam they sent us or something to prop it up so that we can get the hinges screwed in. That's what we came up with to keep the door level while we screw it together on the inside here. Okay. There we go. Lever. I want to know where the hole for the handle is.
You have to drill it. Drill it good.
Happy?
Yes. Thank you. Sit this.
You did. I know you can get it, bud, but I'm a little bit taller still.
For a little while.
Once you get it, it feels like it started going to the next one. To the bottom. Backwards, then forward. Easy. Okay.